This tip is how to purify your water so you don't poop pants on that trail.
Tips and tricks and etiquette. Tips and tricks and etiquette.
Hi, I'm Michael Wright. I'm an exploring, adventuring, hiking, video making guy, and I'm here to give you tips, tricks, and trail etiquette to make your hike that much better. Life straws are one of my favorite water purifying devices to help you not poop pants. They're lightweight, compact, and you can wear them around your neck. You can be like the Flavor Flav of hiking. Yeah, boy! They're also really simple to use. You pop off both lids, stick it in the water, give it a little sucky, bam, no poop pants for you. Delicious. Sterilizing tablets are one of those wonders of science. These ones are made with sodium dictyl analate. It says to keep out of reach of children, so I'm not sure if using these too much are going to make you sterile and not have children. So maybe only use these in case of emergency. You just drop the tablet into the water, it purifies the water perfectly. And if you're getting your water from a stream, you can take your bandana and put it over the bottle to filter out the big chunks of crap. There's no need to chew your water down. And here's a bonus tip. If you have a camping stove, boil your water first. You want to kill off all that bacteria. You can also use snow, but make sure to warm it up first. Cold water burns more calories. And when you're out for a hike, last thing you want to be doing is burning too many calories. If you don't have a stove to warm it up with, put it in your bottle and let it warm up naturally. Or put it in your pocket. That'll warm it right up. So if you want more tips, tricks, and trail etiquette, click the subscribe-y button. Don't forget to click the me likey button. And until next time, stay safe, have fun, and don't be a douche.
Tips and tricks and etiquette. Tips and tricks and etiquette.
Nom 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 nom, subscribe.